Today topic of discussion is normal and abnormal form of sperm. Normal sperm have an oval head with long tail. Abnormal sperm have head or tail defect such as large or misshaped head, cracked or double tail. This defect might affect the ability of the sperm to reach and penetrate the egg. Normal sperm oval in shape, head 5 to 6 micrometer long and 2.5 to 3.5 micrometer width. Well defined caps, that acrosome cover 40 to 70% of sperm head. Second one is middle part. It is a connecting element for the head and tail. If size is 1.5 times larger than the head. Last part is tail. This one is the thinnest part of the sperm. Sperm morphological defect, in which sperm morphology is abnormal. Sperm will normal morphology, able to swim well in a straight line. It have healthy genetic information also. All men produce abnormal sperm without impelling opportunity problem. The actual problem is high level of abnormal sperm, which means such sperm are unable to reach and penetrate the egg. Moving to abnormal form, first one is macrocephaly. Refer to the sperm has giant head. This type of the sperm often carried extra chromosome. This one have extra chromosome. Second one is microcephaly. Sperm head is smaller than normal one, so it is called small head sperm. It may have defective acrosome or reduced genetic material. Third one is pinhead sperm. Here head appear as a pin with minimal to no paternal DNA content. This presence of pinhead due to diabetic condition. Fourth one is tapered head sperm. Sperm with sugar shaped, that indicate presence of varicocele. Fifth one is thin head sperm, may be due to broken DNA, varicocele or disturbed head formation. The thin head sperm may be due to broken DNA, varicocele or disturbed head formation. Sixth one is globosospermia, round-headed sperm condition. This condition indicate absence of acrosome. Seventh one is headless sperm. Here no head. This one don't have genetic material or chromosome. Then eighth one, tailless sperm. These sperms seen during necrosis. Necrosis condition only these tailless sperm will seen. Ninth one is nuclear vacuole sperm. This one have 2 or more large vacuoles. Cyst-like bubbles will appear. 10th one is multi-headed or multiple part sperm. This one have multiple head. When sperm have 2 head, it is called duplicated sperm. Condition linked to exposure to toxic chemicals, heavy metals like cesium, smoke or high prolactin hormones in the male. 11th one is large swollen mid-phase. This one is related to defective mitochondria. What is the role of mitochondria? Energy making part of the sperm. So here no energy, no movement. 12th one is coiled tail sperm have been exposed to incorrect seminal fluid condition or presence of bacteria. Here sperm cannot swim. Their tail can be damaged due to heavy smoking. Last one is stump tail sperm. This one is short tail. Here no motility. This one is also called as Dysplasia Fires Street sperm, DFS. In this video we discussed normal and abnormal form of sperm. Notes format. So thanks for watching.